Hi guys, welcome you all to Ankush Experiments YouTube channel. This video will be very short and informative. So in this video, I am going to talk about an important keyboard shortcut. So before starting, I request you all to kindly check my video playlist and watch the technology related videos, and please subscribe the channel if you like. And if you think there is any helpful information, so please share the video to your friends and relatives. So every day we all use Google Chrome browser, and we know that we can open multiple tabs for different working purpose. But sometimes it happens like that we close a tab by mistake, and the tab was very important to you. You want to get back that tab anyway. So don't worry, I will help you by giving you the correct technique. So please watch the video till the end. So let me go to my computer screen, because I will give you information with proof.
I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. unaware.